What's up, guys? Copy trading has been in demand in the cryptocurrency space, and there are a lot of exchanges that are offering them, but these two that I will feature in this video are two of my top online trading platforms that I would really love to share, and this is why. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so let's start off with PUPrime, and the other one is Tickmill. Copy trading allows users to replicate the trades of experienced investors in real time, and it is a very popular strategy for those who want exposure to the market without managing every positions themselves. Now guys, when comparing PUPrime's copy trading platform with Tickmill's offering, PUPrime is actually standing out across several key dimensions. So number one, you have PUPrime provides multiple copy modes, which also gives users the flexibility to choose the strategies that align with the risk tolerance and investment goals. So whether users are, preferring proportional copying or probably fixed size trades, the platform can accommodate a wide range of preferences. Now guys, Tickmill's platform, on the other hand, while it's functional, it offers fewer customization options for trade replications. Now, another major advantage, guys, that I feel would be beneficial for you as traders with PUPrime is its higher execution rate. So with a focus on speed and reliability, PUPrime ensures that copied trades are executed quickly and accurately. So it is a crucial factor in volatile markets. And as we all know by now, cryptocurrency, that is super volatile. You could be a millionaire in a snap, but you could also be bankrupt in a snap. So it depends on your strategy. And this copy trading is actually one of the most helpful feature that you would be able to apply with your trades. Now, flexibility is also another point. Now, PUPrime's users can stop copying a trader at any time and still retain control of their funds and make real-time adjustments without penalty. On the other hand, for Tickmill, guys, by comparison, it has a more rigid structure with fewer tools for seamless disengagement. And lastly, guys, in my honest opinion, PUPrime offers very competitive fees, which allows users to maximize potential returns without excessive costs. So when evaluated alongside Tickmill, PUPrime's fee structure and transparency makes it a more cost-effective choice for copy trading. So for traders like us that are seeking versatility, control, and efficient execution, PUPrime delivers a more dynamic and user-centric copy trading experience. And guys, of course, that is my honest opinion about this one. I would also encourage you to make sure to do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And so you could also evaluate yourself on, which one is a better choice in terms of copy trading. So if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.